Well, I'm out here today trying to rake everything out on at least one side and get everything finalized. Trying to shape the beds before I put the edging around it. I got to put the edging all around the edges here. I know it's hard to see the difference in the elevation here, but I cleaned all that junk out from underneath the wood rack there so I could get that level. Had a lot of big clay chunks in there I couldn't do anything with. I was tired of trying to beat them apart. So only thing is left to do here is the stone's got to be set there and then one over there. But I'm going to wait on that a little bit. And then the set of stairs is going to go right here. I got the wood up on the porch right there to do that. So that's coming up. Maybe I might start that maybe Sunday or Monday because I don't work on Saturdays because that's my Sabbath. So I got all this over here. The reason I'm low on dirt over here is because I've got to still dig that out. The septic tank is right down there, and I've got to make an opening for get access to that. So when it comes time to clean it out, I don't have to pay $5,000 to get them to hand shovel the dirt out of there, which is going to be about probably 3 foot at least deep. So I got a little pile of trash to clean up. And I reset this stone instead on one block, I set it on 2. So next time it rains and over the winter, this will settle on down probably. And that'll be done. And then I'll haul another big one over there and set it. Then that one right there, I need to turn around the other way because it needs to face the waterfall because that's actually a seat to sit on. And then I didn't fill this in around the bulkhead here because I've got to dig a trench from, well, basically from all the way over there where that black pipe is. I've got to dig a trench along inside that wall and over here and down beside the tank and all the way around over there to catch any water coming down from that hillside and across the driveway to get it to drain out of here, and plus to take the water out of here too. And I've spent almost 3 weeks now trying to find the 1 inch by 6 inch wide flat profile drain pipe, and the closest I could find to getting that is $197 for a 150 foot piece and $521 freight shipping cost. My helper says no way we're gonna pay that, Jack. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy a 100-foot roll of the 4-inch stuff, and I'll just have to borrow or rent a trencher, and or either hand dig it and dig some little gutters to lay that pipe in. And the elevation's already set here anyway, so all I gotta do is just basically lay it down where it's flush with the top of the ground, and then I can come back in, put some little bit of stone dust around it, and then probably Sunday I'll start working on that section over there to get that all tilled up and get the grass and the debris and junk out of it. Found a lot of good rocks and stuff in there. Found a little a Confederate bullet in there, a 3-ring bullet. Found that in there mixed in the soil. I figured I'd find something, but thankfully I haven't found any more cannon rounds, especially live ones. So I found 4 this year alone, and I don't want to find any more of those because sooner or later I'm going to get one that's still hot and it's going to get me, but hopefully not. But other than that, I'm still out here working away and still trying to get something done. I know I'm going to be laid up tomorrow and probably Sunday too, because I'm just now barely getting over Wednesday when I came out here and worked on this first section over here, and I'm still, of course, waiting for the guy to come to dig these 2 holes right here for these 2 tanks. And so I don't know. I'm gonna give him till Sunday, and if I don't hear anything from him, I'm not gonna pursue him anymore. I'm gonna take his number out of my phone book, my contacts, and be done with him, because this is like the 3rd time he's done this to me on 3 different projects. So I just, I don't get along with people that talk the talk but don't walk the walk. So I don't have time for that nonsense. I just thought I'd let you know that's what I'm doing. Me and my little buddy out here, my little supervisor, he keeps doing laps around the house and walking around me, checking me out. I know. Am I doing a good job, boss? Huh? He said, I just want some sugar, Papa. I don't care what you're doing. I just want some sugars. I know. That is the sweetest little fella I've ever known. So I hope y'all have a good weekend. Weather's supposed to be nice. Thank God, no more storms. I hope everybody that's been through a storm was able to recover good. I wish I could do something to help, but I just don't know what to do. I don't have the money to drive and any place to stay or anything like that, or any resources. I don't have anything to give away or donate. I barely got enough for myself, but what I can do is pray. And I encourage everybody that looks at this video to pray too, because prayer is very powerful in its own way. So me and Jimmy Buffett will keep on rocking out here, and we will talk to y'all later. Bye.